Hi, boys and girls. My name is Miss Christy Becknell. I'm an art teacher for St. Tammany. I teach kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade art. I love my job. So today we're going to be learning about warm and cool colors. And we're going to make this beautiful drawing. We're going to be drawing the sun. And the sun is using photosynthesis to make this flower grow, this cool colored flower in this warm sun. These are the things you're going to need today. Some crayons, and a black one too would be nice if you have it. You can also use colored pencils or anything else that you have, maybe some oil pastels. You're going to need a pencil and an eraser just to start with. And you're going to need some things to trace around for the sun and the flower. I used this big can that chicken came in to do the sun. If you don't have a can like this, maybe you have a bowl about the same size. I also used a cap to put right here. Yours can be a different size than mine. It really doesn't matter. So let's get into learning about the color wheel. I'm going to move these out the way. So on our color wheel, we have warm colors at the top. Why do we call them warm? Well, they make us think of warm things. Let's see some of those things. What do you think of when you think of yellow? Maybe it's the sun. What do you think of when you think of orange? Maybe you think of lava. What do you think of with red? Fire! Oh, I love fire. So now we're going to look at the cool colors at the bottom of the color wheel. What do we think of with green? I like to think of my toes in the cool grass. What about blue? Have you ever gone swimming in cool blue water? It's so cool. And what about purple? Ooh, I think of cool grapes right out the refrigerator. So cool and crisp. So let's get to it. Let's make this great drawing. Let's move this out the way. I'm going to need these, so I'm going to keep them right here. So for this drawing, I have my paper in portrait style or vertical, up and down. Let me get another paper. Here we go. Up in this corner, I wanted to put my sun. So I'm going to take a can or a bowl, whatever you have. And I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to trace around. Ta-da! Now, the sun, what shape is that? It's a triangle. I'm going to go ahead and draw some rays of the sun just by drawing triangles. How many can I fit? Let's put another one over here. Ooh, maybe I can fit a half of one here. That looks pretty good. Now, yours does not have to look like mine. As a matter of fact, I like when yours looks different because it means that you added your own unique creativity. That makes me so happy. Now down here, that's just about the right size. I'm going to put this cap. Now I need to make sure I'm leaving room for the petals right here. I'm going to put my cap there. Trace around it. Don't you move, cap. Hold it down with your finger. Don't let it move. Pick it up. Now I want to make the petals. Now mine are just Humpty Humps. Yours can be different than mine. Hump. If it helps, you can move your paper. It helps me. Hump. Whoop, that one was a little wobbly. Hump. D hump. Ooh, I like that the petals all look different. D hump. D hump. Ooh, that's a big petal. Hey, we're back to the beginning. Now, let's make a stem. Maybe it's a little wiggly. Oh, I like that. We can make the other side. I need a leaf. I'm just going to draw one line like this. And now I'm going to draw my leaf around it. That's the vein of the leaf. That's how the leaf gets its food. Beautiful. Now I need to start coloring. On this sun, I went from red to orange to yellow. Let's try it the opposite way on this one. See if it looks any better or different. I like to experiment. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to start coloring. Did you notice the way that I am using my color? What direction am I coloring in? I'm coloring in the direction of the rays of the sun. Let's go to our next color. On the color wheel, we have yellow, then we're going orange next, okay? Our next warm color is orange. You see what I'm doing here? I'm overlapping the orange on top of the yellow so that they blend in nicely. Look at the direction I'm going. I'm going in the direction of the rays still. Next, yellow, orange, red. All right. Now let's try to be careful to not go over the lines. And it's okay if you do. We're just practicing, right? That looks pretty good. Let's try the same thing on each of the rays. I'm going to go really fast on this part, but I want you to take your time. I've been doing this a really long time, and guess what? With practice, you're going to be able to go faster and faster. So just keep practicing. Let's see. Fast, fast, fast. Ooh, I'm blending in. Orange. What's the next color? Red. Gonna go red. Now what I like to do when I'm finished coloring, sometimes I like to outline the thing that I colored. Looks sort of like a comic book or a coloring book when you have these nice dark outlines. Kind of brings it all together sometimes. Sometimes it might not look too good, but I think it looks great on this one. Now, if you don't have a black crayon, what you can do is take your darkest color and use it. Press really hard and outline with your darkest color. I went outside the lines. That's okay. I can fix it, right? Make a mistake. It's no big deal. Mistakes just mean that we're learning. Next thing I'm going to do is this flower. This one I went from blue to purple. I think I want to go opposite this time, right? Let's try it. Here's my purple. I'm going to start with a little circular pattern in the middle, but my petals are going out in different directions. So I'm going to go ahead while I'm coloring. I'm going to color towards this petal, and I'm going to turn my paper as I go so I keep coloring out towards the petals. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Sort of like the sun bursting out. Now, I'm going to take some blue and I'm going to finish up to the edge of the middle of my flower. And remember to overlap your blue over your purple. Oh, this is looking really good. Now, if I want to jazz it up even a little bit more, I can take this purple and I can kind of make a starburst out to each petal. Turn your paper as you do it. Oh, I love mixing colors. Now, I'm going to do the petals of my flower. So, let's do the same thing. Let's go from purple to blue. I'm going to start here. Now, look what happens. This hump is bigger. So I'm going to get a little bit taller in the middle with the purple and then go down small on the edge again. We're going to do this all the way around. I'm going to go super fast as I can. I cannot wait to see yours. You know, if you have your art teacher's email address at school, I bet she would love to see the work that you're doing. Next, I'm going to do the blue on the edge. I just went over the line a little bit. That's okay. Don't forget to blend. You know why it's okay? I'm going to outline in a minute. Oh, that blue. What other things can you think of that are blue? Oh, have you ever seen a blue iceberg? Ooh, that's a cool thing, isn't it? Now, once you're done with that, what'd you think? Outline? Sure, why not? Let's see how good we can make it look. Oh, wow, that really helps. Oh, look at that. I fixed that petal with the black. Did you see that? It was all wobbly blobbly. And I fixed it by outlining it. Oh, that's a good reason to outline, isn't it? Ooh, and I messed that one up. That's okay. That's okay. Now, see that middle? I think I'd like to outline that in blue. Let's try it. Blue is such a good, cool color. Okay, we have purple and we have blue. What is the last cool color that we need? I have purple, I have blue, green. Oh, almost forgot the green. So let's go in here and let's do our stem. Sometimes when I have a single color, I like to do some blending where I start really dark with that color and then I get lighter and lighter as I go up. And in here, I like to outline really dark with the color. And then I like to fill it in. Now I want you to use your imagination. What else could you add to this? Oh, maybe a ladybug. Or you could have a background. You could have a horizon line with ground. Maybe you have a little earthworm coming out the ground. Maybe you have clouds or birds. I can't wait to see what you do with yours. But for now, I want to tell you, thanks for watching. You did a great job. Keep watching so we can keep learning. You can watch videos daily on our YouTube channel, STPPS TV, or on our website, stpsb.org. See you again real soon. Bye.